Your friend, this is the Dragon Mart, and very beautiful here. All things you can see this one. You can buy from here. Very nice. You can buy here a lot of things. This is a bias, and this is the some for the currency, for the camera, like this crown, crowny, like this, oil of watch, something like that. My old friend, this is very beautiful. Here straighter, this one. So this is mobile covers, mobile machine. All thing is available here. You can come here in Dragon Mart. You can buy so many things here. Okay, see this one. There are a lot of tespees, rings, so many things like this one. Papayas. Okay, my old friend. See this one. A lot of things inside. This is the Hope Star. This is my old friends. This is here for the for eating something. This is for the ladies. A lot of things here, my old friends. You can come here, you can do here. See this one here. Too many shops. Here. Like a little bit like this. Like the view of this one, Alpha Noy garments. Here you can buy everything here in this market. You can eat, you can see whatever you want to buy here. You can buy everything is available here. You don't need to go outside this one market. This is very big market. This is the China Dragon Mart. See this one here. A lot of things is available here. You can see here. You can see this is the sanitary all things inside. Look at this. See my old friends, this is for the ladies, for the rings, for the necklace, something like that. You can come here. You see this one. Look at this, very beautiful. See, if you want to buy something, you can come here. You can buy something, necklace, rings, everything for the ladies also. Okay, very beautiful. This is ma'am is here. You can come here and you can buy from here. See, this is a lot of things here, mashallah. Very nice. See, you can look at this one. This is the very good necklace. Okay, stones, everything. See this one. My old friends, you can come here, you can buy everything, whatever you want to buy in this one. Dragon Mart. Look at this, all my friends. See this one here. See, all machineries is available here for the motors, for the machine, something like that. Whatever you need to buy here. You see this one here. All for the ladies. Look at this, my old friends. All machinery is here. All spare parts is here. Whatever you need for the industrial equipments also here. Okay. This is also my old friends here. A lot of things is available here for generator, for the UPS, for all things. Look at this. All things is available here. This is in China Dragon Mart. You can come here. And you can, whatever you need, you can come and you can buy everything. Okay, so this is my brother. He's selling something. He's selling some sweets. Jazakallah, shukran. Just we will take it this one because this boss is selling this one sweets, very tasty. Okay, and this is here in China Dragon Mart. They are selling. Yeah, the ATM machine is also available. If you want to take out the money from here, you can get from here money. They are very good facilities here in the Dragon Mart as well. You can see here a lot of things here. A lot of people, they are selling. They are having some stalls, some shops here. You can see this one. Karani is very, maybe they have a lot of shops here. See this one? Very good. You can buy something here for curtains. Look at this, for the safeties, whatever you need like this. See this one? And you can buy from the hair irons. Look at this. Very nice. So you see this one? She's making iron. See this one? This is iron, very good one. See. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hi, sir.
She's selling some irons, very nice also. See this one? Check trading also. Okay, you can come here. You can, buy from here the good iron as well. You see this one here, the juice, some, cabinet here. They are selling juice. They are selling so many things. Look at this. This is very good spare parts. Everything is available here. This is sanitary, all things. Okay, you can come here. Royalty like this. Royalty. Yeah. So a lot of things here. You can come here. You can buy everything. Whatever. See this one? The locks also for the gate lock. Here also you can buy whatever you want to buy here. Safety equipment here. See, this is generator, coolers, everything here. This is the all electric parts is here inside. You can see this one. This is small babies dresses here. Look at this. And this is the bias, and see the all lights here.